Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the coin hunt. This is coin hunt designated WCH 104. The first coin that we have is from Hong Kong. It is a $1 coin. We have Hong Kong there and we have also the $1 on there, and at the top is some Chinese writing. This coin is from 1998, which is about the year, I think it was the year before, was it the year before the handover? Or was it a year after the handover? I'm not 100% sure. So we have the value and the year on there, and also the value. On the reverse, we have the value of the coin $1 in writing, and we also have the Bauhina orchid, and that's B-A-U-H-I-N-A. There is no mintage available for this coin. The next coin is from Yugoslavia, a country that no longer exists. It's a 20 para from 1965. On here we have the coat of arms of the country and the name. There's no mintage for this coin. On the reverse of the coin we have the value of 20 para. Next coin is from Panama. It is a one Centesimo from 1993. Centesimo from 1993. You have the value and the year on this side, or the value in the country on this side, should I say. And then on the reverse of this, you have the year and the chief Uraka. The mintage for this coin is 30 million. Next we have the harp of Ireland, and on this side we have the harp, the country and the year. The year is 1971, the country is Ireland, and it is a 1p coin. And on the reverse you have a stylized bird. Is that right? Helps if you get it the right way, Steve. It's a stylized bird from the Book of Kells. Now, I have said before in these hunts, the Book of Kells is a very important book within the Irish community, and is one that they're very proud of in Ireland. It is a early medieval book, and it has the coloured scripts at the beginning, and the coloured pictures at the beginning of each page of text, or each area of text. The mintage for this coin is 100,500,000. Very high mintage indeed. Next we have a 1975 coin from Hungary. Maybe it's that way up. On here we have the coat of arms and the country name on this obverse, and then on the reverse we have the value and also the name of the values to the foreign in text. We also have the year of 1975. The mintage for this 2 foreign coin is 20,030,000. I then have two coins of the same value. They're both Taiwanese coins. They're 1 baht. One is from the year 2003 and one is from the year 1994. They show Rama the 9th, and the monastery you can see on the reverse of the coin over here is the Pha Khew temple in Bangkok, and that is Phakeaw temple in Bangkok. The mintage for the 1994 coin is 475,200,000, and the mintage for the 2003 coin is 23,653,300. The last coin in this first stack is an Icelandic coin, and it shows Bergassi the giant on this side, with the country name, the value and the year. So you have Bergassi the giant in the centre, who is a Icelandic mythological person, and you also have the country, the year. So Iceland is a country, and you have the year, and you have the value of 1 krona. On the reverse, we have the value of 1 krona, and we also have a fish, which is one that we enjoy very much in this country, especially with chips and mushy peas, and that is a cod. I'm feeling a little hungry now. Right, the first coin on the second side is one of the most highly minted coins in the world, and that is a 1 cent coin from 1996. It has Lincoln and the year on this side. I can't see a mint mark, so that'll probably make it Philadelphia, the Philadelphia Mint. And then on the other side you have the value of 1 cent, and you have the Lincoln Memorial. And the mintage for this coin is a massive 6,510,795,000. That is a shitload of 1Cs. Now I do have a complete bag of 1 cent coins that I've not searched through, and I was going to put a date run together, but I haven't got round to it yet. So eventually that will find its way into that bag, ready for us to do the date run. The next one is from Qatar. It is a 5 fils, or 5 dirham, sorry, from 2012. On the obverse we have the valuation, and then on the reverse we have a boat sailing past an island with a palm tree on it. I think the boat is a sword type boat, I believe, although I'm not 100% sure on that. The valuation for this particular 2012 coin, or the mintage should I say, is 1 million coins. This one I went slightly mad in. I had 5 coins of the same type. So excuse me while I just sort these out into these are all Portuguese coins at the value of 50 centinos. They're from the year 1958, 62, 67, 68, and then the oldest one is 1928. The lady on the front of the coin, on this one, whoops, and this one, is the Lady Allegory of the Republic. It's a lady who's the allegory of the Republic. I perhaps didn't make that clear. And then on the reverse side we have the coat of arms of the country, a set of vines, and also the coat of arms in the top there. Right, the mintages. 1958 is 2,687,000. The 1928 coin is 6,823,000. The 1962 coin is 6,678,000. The 1967 coin is 19,391,000. And the 1968 is 11,448,000. Right, the next coin is, we go back to the Middle East, and it's Kuwait. And it is a 50 fils coin. From 1979. It has been issued during the reign of Jabir bin Ahmad. That's Jabir. Middle name is Ibn, which is IBN, I think. Ahmad is AHMAD. On the reverse of this coin is a sailboat. The mintage for this 1979 50 fils coin is 6,050,000. We stay in the Middle East. We have here a coin from Saudi. It's 50 Malala, I think it's Halala or Malala. Halala. It's from 1977. We have the cross scimitars and a palm tree on this side. It's also known as a half rial. On the reverse, let's get it the right way up. There we go, the right way up. 50, we have the value and the date. And the mintage for this Saudi coin is 20 million coins. Next one, Costa Rica. This Costa Rica coin is 5 colons from 1985. On this side you have the coat of arms, the year and the country name. So you have the country name around the top, the coat of arms and the country name. And the year, sorry, which is at the bottom. When we turn it over, we have a coin that has several wavy lines with the number 5 over embossed on it, which is the value, and the branches here are actually coffee branches. The mintage for this coin is 25 million coins. Next one is a coin that we come across reasonably frequently on this, in our coin hunts, or in my coin hunts. We have the Philippines 1 peso from 2004. On this side we have the value, and we also have a portrait of Jose Rizal. On the reverse we have the coat of arms of the country name and the year. There is no mintage figures for this coin. Highly unusual. Oh. What's slightly unusual about this is it's South African silver coin, or silver coloured coin. It is a 20-cent coin from 1981. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the name of the country, go around the outside. And on this side we have the flowering plant, which is a Royal Pretoria flower. We also have the value of the coin. The mintage for this coin is 8,534,000. Next we have a Belgium coin. This Belgium coin is a Dutch text 1 franc coin from 1972. It has Carreras, is it? C-E-R-P-E-S is the portrait. At the rear of the portrait, on this right hand side of the coin, we have a cornucopia. On the reverse we have a crowned oak stem with the value either side of the oak stem, and we have the name of the country. The mintage for this 1 franc coin from 1972 is 35 million. Next we have a coin there which we never get the mintages from until I found out a way of getting them. This is a 1 yen coin from Japan from 1986. You have the value on the front, and on the rear you have a, let's get it the right way up, you have a bamboo shoot. Now the mintage for this 1986 coin is huge. It's 417,960,000. And the last coin of the hunt is from the Republic of Chile. It's 100 pesos from 1994. On this side we have the coat of arms of the country, and we have the name of the country. On the reverse we have the valuation in a laurel leaf, in a laurel wreath. The mintage for this coin, there are no mintage figures that I've been able to find. Okay. Oh, it's just other way. I'd like to thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. Thank you for watching this video. I am trying to increase my subscribers, so if you're a returner, or even if you're a new person and you believe I deserve it, please could you subscribe. I'd like to hit 100 before Christmas if possible. Just lost my train of thought there. I have 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-ra now. Bye bye.